In this video we swim with whale sharks with a tour out of Exmouth, Western Australia. There was maybe a half dozen whale shark boats out and there are spotter planes to help find the whale sharks. The boat goes out past the Ningaloo Reef and there was a fair swell, and if you aren't used to snorkeling it's a bit daunting at first.
Oh, I like your leggings.
Thank you.
Look nice. Wow, shark.
Just hold on a second. Yeah, sit down over here. That's perfect. Sit down. That's a good idea.
It's a bit fancy.
Magic. Yeah, got you. So as we get to the stand of the vessel, Louise has a very important job. She is gonna have to hand the rope to Brandon, our skipper.
Good morning, Brendan!
You got your rope ready, Adam?
Two straight lines, just like when you're at school.
Once a whale shark is spotted from a plane, everyone is ready to dive. It's actually pretty chaotic in and out of the water. Now you are not allowed to get too close, so everyone keeps their distance. It's such an amazing experience, very surreal, and this whale shark was probably 6 meters or more long, but can reach up to 18 meters. If you want to see more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks very much.